Hey guys, Silva here, and welcome all to my Niche Domination Prodigy review. So, Niche Domination Prodigy is the newest launch by Trevor Carr, officially Trevor Carr, and then Fergal Downs and also Max Gerstenmaier. Now, the whole training was put together by Fergal Downs. Now, if you have watched any of my reviews on Fergal's training courses, you probably know by now that I am totally in love with his training courses, his products, his style, sweet and short, to the point, but about a method which works. He's got case studies, to back it up. He banks a lot of money using the methods he teaches you. And very often, like in the case of this training course, he is teaching you something He has learned himself from a high-ticket training course that cost him $997 or something like that, Now, to put it sort of sweet and short, this training course, which is gonna take you just under an hour, maybe 40 minutes to go through the whole training, but so powerful, Amazing, real information you're getting here, guys. I've watched all of it. I have just finished watching, So I'm gonna share with you everything. As per usual, the members area, my splendid bonuses, you'll find the sales page below my review and all of that good stuff, So yeah, it's going live on the 25th. Let me just double check. 25th of March at probably 10 a.m. New York time, but we'll double check that, Once I disappear from the big screen, the big picture, I'm gonna be in the little corner. But guys, this is a training course that will show you how to make real money. Trust me. If you implement this method, you're gonna make some big bucks. Just put it into action. So it will teach you how to drive targeted laser targeted traffic using laser-targeted keywords that you will find using a platform which is magical, The keyword research tool. Very, very good SEO platform that Fergal talks about here in this training course that will show you exactly which keywords you should be targeting with your blogs, with your articles that you will outsource for pennies. And using parasite traffic. So what's parasite traffic? Is sort of like this, you're taking advantage of this, sort of almost taking unfair advantage because you would be using a platform that ranks really highly on Google, and that's, let me tell you right off the bat, LinkedIn. But I'll reveal more details and give you quite a comprehensive, it's going to be quite a comprehensive review, but I don't want to get carried away either, so let's get started, So if you want to be fully informed, stay with me, guys, till the end, because as per usual, I'll try and leave hardly any stones unturned. Right, anyhow, so this is the launch period, so yeah, no, actually 11 a.m. New York time, so only the 5th, 6, 7, 8, 5 days launch. Cool. So these are the vendors. Here these are the cool vendors. I love these guys. I chat with specifically Max all the time. He's currently in Spain with Fergal, and I did ask him, these guys, Max in particular, quite a few questions about this training course, and he says that, Fergal is really, really getting 300 clicks a day, with this method, and that's a lot, to his offers, to his affiliate offers that he promotes and sells, makes money with. Using this method, they will teach you inside of Niche Domination Prodigy. So this is the members area, guys. And as you can see, this is the overview, and he took this information that he's selling to you for, I would say pennies, compared to what he paid for this information, $1,000. So it's this training course, which is gonna take you just under 1 hour, I would say 40 minutes max, 40, 50 maybe, I wasn't really checking the time, but it's sweet and short, to the point. That's why I so appreciate Fergal's style, and I'm really inspired by his style, to be honest, because I do tend to get carried away. But at the same time, you know, I am a reviewer who really goes through the product from A to Z, so I have a lot to say, and I hope some of you out there may appreciate it. Okay, so yeah, I try to give you as much information about the product as I possibly can. So it's a complete walkthrough from start to finish. It will show you how to dominate, guys, dominate a niche, a specific niche with parasite SEO. And if you don't know what parasite SEO is, you know, I just Googled it for you. I do understand, but, you know, let me just, you know, show you what Google says. So parasite SEO is a technique of using high authority websites. It's going to be LinkedIn websites, guys. Okay. Google loves LinkedIn. LinkedIn ranks higher than, these days, higher than Medium, higher than Reddit. It really ranks well. Okay, so using this high authority website to rank for competitive keywords and drive traffic to your website. So this is the kind of SEO you would be implementing here. Right, okay, and you know, you will find a niche, you will find a product. Fergal will show you where to go, what to find, will advise you on what products to promote, okay, taking into consideration, like, you know, different metrics, okay, so what sells, what doesn't, and stuff like that. So you're getting the, you know, advice from the guy who has been in the trenches, like, not email, but internet marketing trenches for years, okay. He's made a lot of money, so he's the real deal guy. And then then you will do high level keyword research using a specific tool, which is the number one, I don't know if number one, but yeah, one of the top SEO tools. Okay, so you do your keyword research, so you know what keyword to target with your articles. Therefore, you'd rank well and stuff like that. And also, like in this tool, Fergal will show you in this video here, which was like completely fascinating to me. You know, with this advanced keyword research, this module here, which is like 10 or 15 minutes, maybe it's one of the longest. Probably, okay. Fergal will show you how to select, what was it? Transactional was it? Keywords. So keywords which actually make money, which actually convert. Okay, not only the keywords that are, you know, that are looked for, but which make money, which make sales for you. Amazing, magical stuff. And then he will show you how to get someone else from a platform that he recommends, that he knows personally, and he also told that person to expect his students to approach, not to approach him, but to write to him with requests to write articles for them. Sorry, I got mixed up here, but you get my point. So you would outsource the articles. Okay, with someone who, you know, because with LinkedIn, the very often the big deal is whether your LinkedIn articles, so from your account, will be indexable. And as Fergal was saying himself, his, you know, LinkedIn articles are non-indexable. That's why he uses someone else's and obviously outsources all of the hard work, okay? And he gets it done for cents, for pennies, okay? So you can follow his method as well, and makes, amazing profits in the process. So yeah, probably, yeah. Okay, let me just show you what kind of modules you will have. Now he'll show you how to find a product to promote, mainly ClickBank. And if you're a newbie, guys, ClickBank is the platform to go to, because you just generate your hop link and you get automatically approved. You get your link just like that. And then how to use the advanced keyword research tool. You will start for free. You can use it for free. And then for the first trial, the first month, okay, and then that powerful tool. And then if you want to keep it, he will recommend you someone on Facebook who will give you a coupon discount code to get that tool. If not, just use it for a month, submit as thousands of articles, okay, get all of the keywords you want, and have your articles on LinkedIn up and running. And Google loves LinkedIn. So you'll have your articles for evergreen products, and they will be there, okay, making passive income for you. And then how to cloak your links also which is great for tracking, okay, your clicks and all of that. And how to get the articles written, and additional ways to get your articles, again, outsourcing very, very cheaply, okay, for cheap. And how to get them indexed on, so you super secure that your articles will be indexed. Also, he will recommend a tool here called Omega Indexer. Also, maybe I have revealed too much information, but yeah, very cheap tool. $20 a month. After 1 month, you can just cancel, get all of your articles submitted, index your LinkedIn articles, okay, index on Google, and voila, okay, you can just get on it, guys. Submit your, request, outsource them those articles, have them published, and move on to doing something else. But make use of this method because it's insanely powerful and effective. And I mean it. I'm just totally in love with it. Okay, and here you have the conclusion and the upgrades, guys. Now, I haven't shown you my bonuses because I got too excited talking about this product, but they're like pretty amazing too. Okay, full-blown training courses from these guys. I know them, so they gave me access to these courses, plus some additional super cool bonuses from me, this AI Reels Academy, and some training courses, additional ones on how to generate more traffic, how to do email marketing, how to do affiliate marketing. So much value I give you access here to. It's probably insane. But hey ho, happy days. Now this is the sales page. Go get that link below my review. What they say, I believe them. I agree with it. I've gone through the training. I've seen the case study. So what can I say? Yeah, they say as it is. They say it's a brand new, tried and tested. This is very important because it has been, okay? Fergal generates insane amounts of commissions using this method, guys. It's a strategy or affiliate tested strategy or affiliate commissions in any niche on any platform, okay? And how to dominate any niche. That's why it's niche Domination Prodigy. That's the name of it. Because you will dominate that niche. How? Well, you will find and target laser targeted keywords. And that's the key. Keywords is the key. Right? In just 20 minutes and bank this or much more. Okay? If you get on with the method and actually do it, because just from watching the training you will achieve zero. From implementing the training you will you will fly. I mean it, okay, because it's quite amazing, this method. Now you will have here a few upsells. Go through them. Some of them are the previous products. All of these products I just love, okay, because I know them. I know these guys. They create quality stuff. So go through the funnel and see what you would need for your business, okay? You will have some great training on traffic. I'll definitely pick that one up, the massive traffic. The done for you is also good. It's done for you at the end of the day. So yeah, I forgot to say that actually Fergal gave you access here in this, he gave you a good bonus, a done for you campaign that you can, have everything is done for you. You've got the campaign ready. You just contact that person to outsource the article writing too. But the article, the campaign is ready. You just submit the article, on LinkedIn, publish on LinkedIn, and that's pretty much it. You have it done for you if you cannot be bothered looking for a product that would sell and stuff like that. But, I would do it. Obviously you want to have many articles written and published. So they will be out there forever, okay, making money for you. And make sure you do your research as to but But then again, Fergal does go through ClickBank here specifically and recommends you the products you should be promoting which sell well. So yeah, very excited guys about this product. It's amazing. Okay, so go grab that link below my review. You're getting my splendid bonuses as well, very valuable. And put this beast into action. Amazing. You will love it. Trust me. Okay, I am quite delighted to bring this product to you. Okay, ciao. Have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.